Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Yunnan Normal University Chinese government scholarship announced. So if you want to apply, then apply as soon as possible, but try to send your documents after vacations. Vacations in mostly universities, vacations start from 15th of January and going onwards to 15th of February. So not send the documents during these days. So now came to the point. Start the application. So authority is Chinese government scholarship. A lot of students says that you speak fastly in English while you recording the videos in English, then you speak for very fast. So it's my attitude. So I will try my best to speak in English slowly. So if you feel any problem there, then just ignore it, and I will try my best. So the authority is Chinese government scholarship. University name is non-normal university, and student category master and PhD student can apply. Fully funded scholarship, 3000 RMB for master students and 3500 RMB for PhD students. Online apply method is online apply, and then send your documents. Okay, the application has been started from 15th of January 1st 2022, and the deadline is 20th of March. And I will give you advice that you send your documents after 15th of February, because winter vacation has been started in every universities in China. So offices are completely closed. So maybe some offices are open, but they don't accept application. If they accept application, then they review after the vacation. So it's best for you that you send your documents after vacation. So I will give you suggestion that send your documents on 15th of February. So so all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and age limit for 40 years for PhD students. How you apply for the scholarship? First, you fill CSC online application form, upload your all required documents on CSC portal, and send your documents on this address. Okay, no application fee required for this, and check your status daily on CSC website, CSC portal. Maybe it's changed after few days when you apply. So click here to apply on CSC application portal. How you fill your CSC online application form, link in the description as below. So you can follow the link on the description. Okay, now which documents required? First, when you fill CSC online application form, an automatic online application form will be downloaded. Print out the online application form, and highest degree notarized copy and transcript of highest education. If you don't have degree yet, or you don't have degree yet, then make a provisional certificate from your home university, in your country in which you are previously graduated. And if you don't get transcript yet, and you are studying in 7th or 8th semester, then make a transcript of previous semester which you passed, and copy the result all the result card. Make a one file of all the result cards, and paste it into one file and upload it on transcript section. So I will make another video how you prepare transcript for those students who are studying yet. So study plan, this is for students who studying yet, but if you completed your degree and you have transcript, then it's well and good. Research plan, not less than 800, 2 recommendation letters, passport photocopy, physical examination form. IELTS is not mandatory, but they mention HSK on their website, official website. So I think for CSC candidate, HSK is not mandatory, but if you want to sure, then contact with university official phone number on their website. Click here. When you click here, you can go to the official advertisement of the non-normal university. Very simple method for this. So for postgraduate is like master student, and PhD students is the PhD student, and postgraduate is PhD master students. So if you want to confirm your HSK, because they mention HSK 5 grade or above transcript, because mostly for Chinese government scholarship or students who are applying for scholarship in universities, they don't require any test. When you get admission, and with this you must learn 1 year Chinese language, and in one year you must pass the HSK 4. So that's why they type here. So hope you you get the point which I want to say, and if you want to get more confirmation, then mail to them or call to them, they will tell you. But no, I think during these days the vacations has been started, so maybe they don't pick the phone, pick the call. So you can try after the vacations. Maybe they pick the phone if you want to try. So this is the advertisement of the official advertisement of non-university. If you have acceptance letter, then apply as soon as possible, but try to send your documents after vacations. And if you don't have an acceptance and want to try to apply in these universities, then it depends on you. So if you don't have don't apply any university yet, then apply. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website cscguideofficial.com. everything is here, come here and explore it, everything which you want. So these are the things: applying procedures, list of documents, and universities, faculties, link, and I think this is my link. One of another guy copy my link and paste it on your official website. So don't worry, it's for the users, every user which you want, but don't copy our data. So current scholarship here, scholarship of other countries also available. Come here and explore your explore everything which you want. Hope so you like this video. We will come met in the next video. Allah Hafiz.